PC building day. Look at all the stuff. I'm so excited. He's taking apart my old PC right now. The poor baby. You built that for me when we first started dating, didn't you? Like, I think before even our first year anniversary. You got it for me for Christmas. Yeah.
Outdid myself.
You really did. Because we started dating in March, and you gave it to me for Christmas. You're like, you know what? Bitches love computers. I'm gonna build that bitch a computer. I'm excited for the upgrade though. See, while Corey does computer things, we're watching Logan play Dreamlight Valley.
I'm getting drunk.
And, oh yeah, and day drinking.
It's like 1.
Look at all my cool
You're not my
Sonic
real
shit.
dad.
Look at all the Sonic shit everywhere.
All the Corsair.
Yeah, Corey likes Corsair.
I like Corsair.
I've heard they've kind of gone downhill with their relationship.
Check the new motherboard.
I'll kill her.
This was like an absolute
I'll go
necessity.
Murder.
So it turns out my power supply doesn't fit in my my new setup. So we had to go to Best Buy and buy a new power supply.
It's not that it didn't.
So that was fun.
It didn't have the right plug.
Yeah, the plug.
The plug didn't fit.
It was the plug, yeah. So we bought a new one. Yay!
So this is going to
We did it! But we also stopped for ices. So
Bobo, you're in the way.
I'm happy about that.
Dyvex flavored ices.
Delicious. Loba, why are you crying? Oh, he itched now. So fun story about my new processor I ordered. I had an i5, so I ordered an i7 to upgrade with the rest of my computer. And the first one that arrived, so the bubble mailer was sealed, but the box itself for the processor, the tape was like peeled back. Like it was open. It looked like an Amazon worker opened it, swiped the processor, and then shoved the cardboard insert and like paperwork back inside the box and then shipped it. So when I opened it, it was just a fucking box with no processor in it. So I had to wait for the refund and then order a new one. Why? Who is out here just stealing processors? Fucking stupid.
Do you want the satisfying click?
Ooh, yeah. Everyone be quiet.
One more.
Like computer ASMR. We're all whispering now. Krista has McDonald's. McDonald's ASMR. Do McDonald's mukbang. That's so stupid. My video is gonna be labeled like Dream PC build, and it's gonna be us fucking being stupid and eating McDonald's and shit. Fantastic. Playing your game. Look at you, sneaky.
I'm officially part of the Dyvex store now.
Oh, he's gone. He's gone. Oh, there he is. Little guy. He doesn't want to be recorded. Oh. He's just a little guy. The goods. The power supply we had to run to Best Buy for.
I wish we had a micro center.
Unfortunately, we live...
The nearest one's in like Miami.
Yeah, there's one in Miami.
It's not open yet, I do believe.
Whatever. It's
But-
still too far away.
Yeah, it's
regardless.
still too goddamn far.
Why would I build my PC when I have Corey to do it for me? That's what he does.
Here we go for the first boot.
Testing it out. Make sure they actually fucking work.
Let's turn on the power supply.
Oh, that would help. We have it hooked up to the TV right now. I see color. It works! Look, it's got Sonic. I love it.
Look at him.
Look at it! I'm so excited. Yeah. Let's fucking go.
Alright.
There it is. It's like the perfect shade of blue. Beautiful. Even though it's upside down. For the record, I'm not like forcing him to do this because I'm lazy. I am lazy, but this is just what he likes to do.
It's like standing there crying.
I promise he's not my computer slave.
He is though.
Like twice.
Blink twice if you need help. Okay.
Look at how
Oh, I heard that.
At least it was the case, not
It's
the motherboard.
It bit you. This is such a cool case. Tell me that's not the coolest fucking case you've ever seen.
It's so weird.
And you can have it on its side too.
I forgot it came with fans.
It's gonna have so much wind. It's gonna take off. I also forgot that it came with fans. I'm gonna have so many fans.
You already have so many fans.
Get in there. Slowly.